All right, welcome guests. We have many important people here today. We're very excited to have all of you together to dedicate our brand new gym. Before we begin, I would like to thank the lovely Jessica Rose for holding everybody while we waited. We're going to begin today by welcoming and introducing some very important people that made this possible in the first place. So would you please stand and be recognized when your name is called? Our board president, Nancy Gregory. Board vice president, Maria Greeley. Trustee Dennis Doan. Trustee Beth Oppenheimer. Haven't seen Beth yet. Okay. Trustee Dave Wagers. And special thanks to Hummel Architects and Perkins Construction for their work on the project. We have with us from Hummel Architects, Ed Daniels, Principal Architect. Jacob Rivard, Architect. And Lindsay Egbert, Architect in Training. And from Perkins Construction, Ron Goff. Ron here. Ron's probably out working again. Okay, so would like to just, just summarize the wonderful things that have come as a result of having this gym. This is the first time since Taft was open that we have had a dedicated gym and a dedicated cafeteria, which we will go over. The adults anyway, we'll go over and see that a little bit later. Having the separation from a multi-purpose room to those two designated sites has made a tremendous difference for scheduling in particular. Anytime we wanted to have a special event, we always had to work around our PE and our lunch schedules to make that possible. So if anybody's ever been involved in scheduling, that has been a real gift to us. And just as you look around, this room is a magnificent part of this school. And so we are very, very pleased to have this opportunity. It is now where we have our after-school basketball games. We have plenty of room for our guests to come and watch, where previously in our multi-purpose room, guests seated on the sidelines were oftentimes encroaching right up on the sideline, which was not, frankly, very safe for our spectators or for our students. So we're happy to have ample space where our kids can sit and watch the game, our guests can sit on the other side and watch the game, and we've got plenty of room for the kids to play basketball on an official size court. We've had already, since opening this school year, we've had our post-school assembly. We've had an opportunity for Fraser Valley Children's Theater to come and perform for us. And we've had 2, I believe, maybe 3 home basketball games, which we are very excited about as well. Those of you that are in this room that are voters, I'd like to take a special moment and thank all of you for voting for the bond. I am really very grateful for that, but I'm especially impressed with the way our district decided to use the funds, in that every single school in our district is seeing some kind of improvement. We are very grateful, of course, for our gymnasium and the new fully functioning kitchen that we have here at Taft.